Today I'm going to show you how to set up UTM tracking for Google Analytics. UTM tracking can be set up for your Google Ads, Facebook ads, or any referral links which you want to track the traffic. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to have a website. So I have created a test.google website. Okay, then I have linked Google Analytics to the website. So this is the account. Okay, so next thing we need to do is we need to set up the UTM tracking. So I will share this link in the description of the video. Okay, so first thing we need to set up is we need to set up the website URL. So this would be basically the landing page. So we'll go to the website. In our case, let's take the About Us page. Click on the About Us page, copy the entire URL, come here, paste the entire URL. Then the next thing you need to set up is the campaign ID. That's the next option. There are a couple of options which are compulsory, like the website URL, campaign source, campaign medium, and campaign name. But in this case, I'm going for I'm going to fill up all of this. So we'll put it as testing campaign ID. Okay. Then we have campaign source. So campaign source is basically things like Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, so anything like that. So in this case, I'm going to do for Google Ads, so I'm going to put it as Google. Then next thing we have is campaign medium. So campaign medium can be anything like organic traffic, Google Ads traffic, referral traffic. So in this case, it's Google Ads, so I'm going to put it as CPC. Okay. Please remember that campaign source and campaign medium needs to match exactly what it's showing on Google Analytics, because Google Analytics is case sensitive. So in case you put maybe the G capital, it will create a separate source for this. So we need to match the current one which is there, which is all small. Okay. Then the next thing we'll put campaign name. So campaign name is whatever is being set up on Google Ads, or you can put your own name. It's up to you, but it would be better if you put the actual name which is there on Google Ads. So in this case, I'm just going to put it as campaign name. Okay. Then next thing is the campaign term. Now the campaign term is the keywords which you are setting up for the campaign. So in this case, there are no keywords. We're just doing a test. So I'll put it as campaign term. Okay. Then the next thing we have the content. So the content is basically the different types of ads which you're running. So to be sure which ad is the one which brought in the traffic and has converted, you can put that particular ad here. That particular content of the ad, just to link it together. So in this case, I'm going to put it as campaign content. Okay, so once you filled up uh, these options, or whichever are compulsory if you filled up, okay, so then you need to come down and you will automatically get this URL generated. So what you need to do is you need to copy this URL and you need to paste it and click on it. So once the page loads, you need to go to your Google Analytics account, go to your real time, go to your traffic sources. So once you go to traffic sources, you will see it tracking here. See, it has picked up as medium CPC and source Google. So medium, we put it as CPC. We'll go back here, medium CPC, correct? Then we go to source. Source, we put it as Google. Go back here. Source, we put it as Google. Okay, so now we will click on medium. Once you click on medium, it shows you the keyword. Keyword, we put it as campaign term. Come here, we see campaign term. So yeah, so this is very good to know if the UTM has been set up correctly before we add it on maybe Google ads or Facebook ads, or if you add it on any referral link. It's always important to test it out using this method. So if you have any questions regarding this, please let me know. Thank you.